Welcome to Programming for Juniors. It's a Master Moshai, and today I'm going to start with very basic HTML. All right, this is day 2, and from now on, I will be creating just only one video every other day. Okay, if you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. All right, and if you want to get the tutorial step by step, of course it is completely free. Just go here and click and sign up for free, and you will get basic web development step by step from very beginning to intermediate level. Right, you can just click on join and submit your Gmail address, and you will be sending you step by step video tutorial every week. Okay, fine. And if you want to support us, we have also PayPal here. You can just click and support, and you can also join our Facebook page if you want to. All right, without further ado, let me start. We will start from scratch, from the very beginning, so that anyone can follow what we are discussing about. Okay, so we are using CodePen for the next couple of classes. So just go to Google and just type codepen.io, and you will find such an interface. If you are using codepen.io for the first time, you have to sign up the way you sign up for your social media account. You need password, and you need Gmail, and can provide password and just create the account, and CodePen will send you an email, and you have to just verify it. Choose a pen from here, okay, and actually you can choose view. If you want this way, you can do this way, and if you want to choose different view, even you can choose the view the way it's being shown here. Okay, so for HTML, just you can drag CSS and JavaScript part and start coding here. So I want to type each and every code so that you can also practice together with me and learn from scratch. Okay, so this is called angle bracket. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay, I just press Ctrl plus and it will be bigger. Ctrl minus will make it smaller. Okay, this is angle bracket, opening angle bracket, and this is a closing angle bracket. And in HTML or computer programming, we call it tags. Whenever we write something inside of angle brackets, we call it HTML tag or HTML elements. So I just type an exclamation sign and type doc type and HTML. Okay, when I just type angle bracket, exclamation sign, doc type, space, HTML, and closing angle bracket, it means we are declaring it to be we are going to write a code, and the codes are HTML latest version, means HTML5. So this is called comment in HTML. What I have done, just right angle bracket, exclamation sign, 2 dash, then I can write what I want to write here, or whatever I want to leave as a note for my fellow developers. I can say HTML5 declaration. I'm declaring and telling the browser, hey browser, whatever I'm typing here is going to be HTML5, okay? So in HTML5, we start with angle bracket and HTML opening bracket, and HTML always close the tags or elements. So this is opening tag, HTML opening tag, and this is HTML closing tag, okay? Now, the difference between opening tag and closing tag is it doesn't have slash, but the closing bracket has a slash, okay? Now, inside the HTML, I type head tag, okay? Opening head tag, and it will have also closing head tag, okay? And just after the head, we will have a body tag, opening body tag, and closing body tag. This is closing body, okay? Now, HTML is the root element. I can leave comments. Comment doesn't get executed, okay? Thus I can say this is root or parent elements, okay? So HTML is root or parent element, parent to head and body tag, okay? Inside the head tag, usually we keep metadata. Metadata means data, information, or links that we will need to create web pages, software, whatever, or web application, okay? And inside the head tag, we have also title, okay? So title, opening title, and closing title, and in between title tag, we will write the title. I can say, why am I first web page, okay? Then whatever we code or write inside the body tag, it will be visible to the client or the readers or the users of the website or web application. But whatever we write or code inside the head tag, it will remain invisible to the client or the readers or the viewers, okay? But this title will be visible here like this one, okay? And other than this, nothing will be visible, whatever we write inside the head tag. And whatever we write inside the body tag, it will be visible, like H1 tag. I say, welcome, okay? H1 tag, we can see welcome is there, okay? Now, say for example, after the welcome note, I have a p tag. P tag means paragraph tag. It will always come with opening p tag and closing tag, okay? Actually, we can use lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum is a dummy text. Okay, sometimes a company may not have the texts or articles, whatever. In case we don't have, we can use lorem ipsum as a dummy text until they are prepared. Okay, so I just put here lorem ipsum, and see our first web page has been created. Okay, and we can say h2 tag, and we can say why is it, say for example, p tag, right? Now we can bring this one, just copy and paste here. Sorry, this is h2 tag, then we will have p tag, and in between p tag there will be text. And you see, we have actually, I can put h2, another h2 tag. What is Lorem? All right, fine. Now, in between these two paragraphs, we want to keep actually, say for example, a photo, say for example, photo of Kamala Harris, say for example. Okay, Kamala Harris. I can choose images from here. She is elected vice president, right? Okay, we can choose it from here, just right button click, copy the image address, okay, and copy the image address. I think it has been copied, and then we can just go here and make image tag, and image tag doesn't have closing tag, and in HTML, the tag that doesn't have closing tag, we call them self-closing tag. Okay, src is attributes, and this is attribute, and this is attribute value. Okay, inside the attribute value, we always put the path of the picture. Okay, and also attributes, we just say Kamala Harris, say for example. And now we have huge picture of Kamala Harris, elect vice president, right? Now we have to provide width, say for example 700 pixel, and height, say for example 400. Okay, and now we will see it has become smaller, right? Okay, even if you want to make it more smaller, you can say 300. Okay, and it has become 300. All right, and if you want to make it 500, do it the way you like. Okay, now that's the beauty. Now let's provide a video here, how we can provide a video link here. Just click on a video, okay, and then click on share, okay. Once again, click on embed. It's taking much longer time. Click on embed, then copy it, okay. It has been copied. Now what I can do, I can just go to second para and just paste here, okay. And we see there is the video on our page, okay. Thus we can keep creating our web pages, okay. When we create several web pages, it becomes a website. Okay, website can be of 3 pages or 5 pages or 100 pages, okay. So we have now one web page, okay. And if we want to style them, what we can do, we can just take the body tag, because inside the body tag we have each and every element, and when we are selecting body tag, okay, you can type it or copy it, okay, body space, then curly braces, press enter. This is called CSS selector. We are selecting body of this page and going to style the body the way we want. Say for example, background color. Background color is CSS property, okay? And colon, then whatever we write, right up the colon, right side of the colon, it will be the property CSS value. So this is CSS properties, and whatever we write here, it will be CSS property value. We say properties and value. Say for example, I want background to become a red, and it has become red. Okay, our background has become red. If you want it to be green, it will be green. If you want it to be crimson, it will become crimson. Okay, so I want it to be light yellow. This is light yellow, but I prefer light green. And light green, there is T, right? Yes, light green. And I want also color to be crimson. Color means text color, okay? Then, of course, there will be a semicolon. Then I want margin, say for example, margin will be 100%, 100 pixel, not percent. Okay, so we have now margin, okay? And I want padding to be 25 pixel, okay? And we have padding here. But we cannot differentiate between margin and padding because we don't have border right now. But if I put border, border has 3 elements or components. These are how much will be the thickness. Then what will be the colors? So for example, the color will be gold, and what it will look like. It will look like solid. So we have now border, and we can see now we have padding here. Okay, if I say padding is 15, you see, it will be increasing. If I say border will be 20, border will be thicket. Okay, now this way actually we can make our pages more beautiful, more stunning, and amazing. And what we can do, we can make it toss the border. So what we can do, we make the photo and video of same height and width. So video is where is video? Here is video. I can say video will be 500 width and height will be 300. Now you can see the picture and videos size has become the same, right? This way we can keep developing several pages, and when we combine them, it will become a website, okay? So what we learned today is HTML boilerplate, that is from here to the end. The structure, these are boilerplate, and inside the boilerplate, what we have done is we learn how to put headlines or headings. H1 is the biggest heading, H2 is a little smaller, H3 will be more smaller, and we have up to H1 to H6, 6 headlines or headings. Then we learn how we can insert image on our page and how we can size them. And we learn very important element, that is P tag, okay, P element. And we learn how to embed video from YouTube, right? So that's all for today. If you are watching this video tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay, keep going. Within 6 months, we are going to learn complete web development, and you are becoming a full stack web developer in just next 6 months. Okay, and we will continue maybe 1 or 2 years learning other programming fundamentals like Python, Ruby, and MERN stack, okay, JavaScript full stack. So we will be discussing here 3 full stack. One is Java, Python, another one is JavaScript, and the last one is Ruby on Rails. Okay, keep learning, and in next 1 year you are becoming an expert software engineer, and it is completely free. But if you want to learn one-on-one or in batches, we do also teach in batches or one-on-one basis. Just shoot an email. Below each video, you will find our Gmail address. Just shoot an email, and we can work together. Okay. However, If you can't afford, just keep following all the tutorials, and definitely you can also learn from free video tutorials. Thank you so much. And if you want to support our YouTube channel, you can also contribute just going to the channel. You can find support us button, and you can contribute. That's all for today. See you in the next series. Thank you.